Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Redmi Note 13, and in this video I am going to show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to just hold on our wallpaper like this. We have to hold on our wallpaper, and as you can see right here we have widgets option. Now we can just get whatever widget we want from here. For example, I don't know, this one, and we can here choose contact for our widget, and that's our widget. And if we want to remove this widget, we have to hold on it, and then we have to click remove, and basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!